Students, in this class, I'm going to explain to you how exactly we can use 4 different custom formatting for the data. So imagine we got a value like this, 3.1432. This is a positive value. So let me write that down. It's a positive value. And we got, say, negative 2.1243. This is a negative value. And then we got, say, 0.000. So this is also a data, and this is 0 value. So when I enter 0.00, I'm only getting 0 there. So because of the formatting. And now text is, say, any text. So now I need to have a formatting. Remember, if you want to include 4 different types of formatting, it starts with positive, negative, 0, and text. So we start off with, if it is a positive value, so I want 3 places, 0.000, then place a semicolon. If it is a negative value, I want it to be of 0.2 decimal places, 00. Place a semicolon. If it is a 0, I want it after the decimal place 2 digits, 0.00. And if it is general, if it text, just it should be of general type. So if I were to press OK and check the values, you can clearly see that 3 places. And if I were to copy the formatting here, Control C, come over here, Control Alt and V, and type the formatting, say OK. So it's a negative value. So I didn't specify the negativity. So let me also do that. Control Alt V, format. Of course, in the formula box there is a negative sign, but we did not specify a negative sign there. So maybe we can place a negative sign there and say OK. So we control copy, come over here, Control Alt V, go to formats and click. So we get a negative sign. Now what if we color code this? Color code the data. So go here, press Control and 1, and this is the type that we've been using. So what I want to do is I want to color code this. Say if it is a positive value, let me have this as blue. Right, let me have this as blue if it is a positive value. So let me click OK. So you see that positive value. So if you were to have this formatting, so imagine you have a list of values, say 43.567, enter 56.897, enter 765.980, enter 897.567.8, enter. So you got a list of values. Say next value negative 234.8987, enter negative 567.8965, enter 0.0, enter, and fair, something like that. You got a list of data. Now what I'm going to do is, just watch here, I'm going to copy this format specification that we have, move to this cell, Control Alt V, say format, and say click OK. What I'm going to do, I'm Control copy, and I'm going to come here, Control Alt V, and the same formatting would be copied here. Format, I need 3 places, so a 0 will be added here. So same here, Control Alt V, see how the format specification will change here. See that in this case I'm going to paste it, Control Alt V, the format, it gets changed here. And for 0, I'm going to okay, let me also finish this. it becomes negative. For 0, Control Alt V, change the format. See how the format specification changes. So we can actually use 4 different types of formats in a single specification. So now if I want to say I'm going over here, I want a red color for negative value. So all I need to do is just press Control 1. Just press Control 1 here. Go to this cell. If I go to this cell, press Control 1 and go here and say all negative values. You want all negative values to be in red. So square bracket, red, close the bracket. Maybe this one, Control C, go here, Control Alt V. You see that negative value, say Control Alt V. So students, that is how you can use the custom format types to make the data look more brighter and different.